This video is created for educational and documentary purpose only. All narration, visual and descriptions are original and AI generated. This content does not promote violence or conflict and focus solely on aviation, technology, history and engineering innovation.
What if the most powerful fighter jet in the world was designed not to be seen? Not on radar, not by enemy pilots, not even by modern air defense systems. The F-35 Lightning II is not just an aircraft. It is a flying computer, a data-sharing battlefield commander, and one of the most advanced machines ever built by humans. Today, we take a deep look inside the aircraft that is redefining air combat for the United States and its allies. This is the story of the F-35 Lightning II. What is the F-35? The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation, multi-role stealth fighter aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States and its allies. It was designed to replace a wide range of older aircraft, including F-16 Fighting Falcon, A-10 Thunderbolt II, AV-8B Harrier, older variants of the FA-18. Instead of building multiple specialized jets, the U.S. military aimed to create one advanced platform that could perform air-to-air combat, ground attack, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. The result was the F-35. Why the United States needed the F-35. Modern warfare has changed. In earlier decades, air combat focused mainly on speed, altitude, and raw firepower. But today, the battlefield is dominated by advanced radar systems, long-range surface-to-air missiles, cyber and electronic warfare, information dominance. The U.S. needed an aircraft that could enter heavily defended airspace, avoid detection, gather and share real-time data, strike targets with precision. The F-35 was designed to meet those exact needs. The core of the F-35. Stealth is not just about shape. It is about design philosophy. The F-35's structure minimizes radar reflection by using carefully angled surfaces, internal weapon bays, radar-absorbent materials, reduced heat and infrared signature. Unlike older jets that relied on speed to survive, the F-35 relies on not being detected at all. This allows it to see the enemy first, strike before being targeted, operate deep inside hostile airspace. A flying computer. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the F-35 is its onboard computing power. The aircraft processes enormous amounts of data from radar, infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, allied aircraft and ground forces. Instead of overwhelming the pilot, the F-35 fuses all this data into a single, clear picture of the battlefield. This gives pilots unmatched situational awareness. In many ways, the F-35 is not just a fighter jet. It is a command and control node in the sky. The pilot experience. Flying the F-35 is fundamentally different from flying older aircraft. The cockpit features a large panoramic touchscreen display, advanced helmet-mounted display system, minimal physical switches compared to older jets. The helmet allows pilots to see through the aircraft using external cameras, track targets simply by looking at them, receive critical data directly in their field of vision. This reduces pilot workload and increases combat effectiveness. Variants of the F-35. The F-35 program includes three main variants. F-35A, designed for the U.S. Air Force, featuring conventional takeoff and landing. F-35B, designed for the U.S. Marine Corps, capable of short takeoff and vertical landing. F-35C, designed for the U.S. Navy, optimized for aircraft carrier operations. Each variant shares core technology but is adapted for different mission needs. Global impact. The F-35 is not used by the United States alone. Multiple allied nations operate the F-35, making it one of the most widely deployed fifth-generation fighters in the world. This creates interoperability between allied forces, shared intelligence networks, a unified approach to modern air combat. The F-35 is as much a political and strategic tool as it is a military one. The role of the F-35 in modern warfare. The F-35 was never designed to fight alone. Its true strength lies in networked warfare. In today's battle space, the most powerful force is not the aircraft with the biggest weapons. It is the platform that controls information. The F-35 acts as a sensor platform, a data fusion hub, a battlefield coordinator. It can detect threats long before traditional aircraft and pass that information to other fighter jets, naval ships, ground forces, missile defense systems. Even aircraft that are not stealthy can benefit from F-35 intelligence. The F-35's secret weapon. Traditional aircraft display sensor data separately. The F-35 does something different. It uses sensor fusion, which means radar data, infrared imagery, electronic signals, external intelligence. All of this is merged into one unified tactical picture. The pilot does not need to interpret multiple screens. The aircraft does that work automatically. This reduces reaction time, pilot workload, human error. In combat, seconds matter, and the F-35 saves those seconds. See first, shoot first. One of the most important advantages in air combat is first detection. Because of its stealth and sensors, the F-35 can detect enemy aircraft without being detected, track targets passively, launch weapons before the enemy knows it is there. This completely changes the rules of engagement. In many scenarios, the fight is over before the enemy ever sees the F-35. Beyond dogfights. Popular media often focuses on close-range dogfights. Modern air combat rarely works that way. The F-35 is optimized for beyond visual range engagement, coordinated attacks, precision strikes. That does not mean it cannot maneuver, but its true strength is winning without being seen. The goal is not a dramatic dogfight. The goal is mission success with minimal risk. Electronic warfare and survivability. The F-35 includes advanced electronic warfare systems that allow it to detect enemy radar emissions, disrupt tracking systems, avoid missile guidance. Instead of relying solely on physical defenses, the F-35 uses electromagnetic dominance. This makes it far more survivable in contested airspace. Multi-domain operations. The F-35 does not operate only in the air domain. It supports naval operations, ground combat units, intelligence networks. For example, an F-35 can identify a surface threat, send targeting data to a naval ship, allow that ship to engage the target. This level of integration was not possible with older aircraft. Naval power and the F-35. The F-35C variant is designed specifically for U.S. Navy aircraft carriers. It features larger wings, reinforced landing gear, extended range. From a carrier, the F-35C provides stealth strike capability, fleet defense, intelligence gathering. It extends the reach and survivability of carrier strike groups. Marine Corps and the F-35B. The F-35B is unique. It can perform short takeoff, vertical landing. This allows it to operate from amphibious assault ships, forward bases, short runways. For the U.S. Marine Corps, this means air power can be deployed closer to the front lines, increasing flexibility and response time. Real-world operations. The F-35 is not just a concept aircraft. It has been deployed globally, used in real missions, integrated into allied air forces. Its role often includes intelligence collection, surveillance, deterrence missions. Many of these operations remain classified, but its growing deployment confirms its operational value. Controversy and criticism. No advanced program is without criticism. The F-35 program faced cost overruns, development delays, public debate. However, over time, performance improved, reliability increased, operational readiness expanded. Most modern defense programs experience similar challenges, especially at this scale. Continuous upgrades. The F-35 is not a static platform. It is designed for software updates, hardware improvements, new capabilities over time. This ensures it remains relevant for decades. Unlike older aircraft that required major redesigns, the F-35 evolves digitally. Allied power and global network. Countries operating the F-35 share training, data standards, operational tactics. This creates a powerful international network. In a coalition scenario, multiple F-35s from different nations can operate as a single force. This strengthens global deterrence and cooperation. The future of air dominance. The F-35 represents a shift in military aviation philosophy. The future is not about speed alone, size alone, weapons alone. It is about Information, connectivity, integration. The F-35 is a bridge between today's aircraft and the next generation of autonomous and AI-assisted systems.